Did you know that a significant percentage of the world's best food-producing land actually used to be covered with pine trees? A brief look at what pine trees do to the soil. There are many species of pine trees, but they all have pine needles for leaves. Pine needles fall and form a thick mulch under the pine trees. They also drop pine cones as the trees get bigger. These are excellent for the soil. Pine needles are acidic when they fall, but rapidly just form a compost layer that has little impact on soil pH. Pine needle mulch is an incredibly rich source of all sorts of good nutrients. However, if you add too much, it causes nutrient lockout issues in your soil. Pine trees are big and block out the sun. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, and if you want vegetables to grow, they do need to be able to photosynthesize. Why grow vegetables near pine trees? A few benefits that you may derive from growing vegetables near pine trees are: pine trees are very hardy trees and provide a windbreak. Pine trees are resistant to pests and disease. The soil around pine trees is well drained. The trees themselves keep the soil dry. Pine tree rows can provide some shade in hot environments. Pine trees are good for attracting birds. Pine trees are great for attracting butterflies. Resin from pine trees helps keep insects away from pine trees. What vegetables grow well near pine trees? 1. Carrots. Carrots can grow near pine trees because they like sandy soil and are tolerant of some shade. 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers need lots of sunlight. Cucumbers are easy to grow and have delicious flowers. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce is a weed that tastes good. You can grow this nearly anywhere, and it definitely grows in the soil near pine trees. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a very variable plant. There are many different cultivars. You will need to ensure they get water, as the pine tree is thirsty. 5. Peppers. Peppers will do well near pine trees. Planting the peppers in a place where they are in complete shade will not work. 6. Broccoli. If your broccoli is not shaded by the pine trees, it will do fine. The same can be said for cauliflower, in fact. 7. Beets. Beets need lots of sunshine, so they won't grow on the shady side of pine trees. If you plant them on the sunny side of a row of pine trees, they thrive. 8. Celery. Celery seeds can actually grow in the bark of a pine tree about a foot above the ground. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower grows well near pine trees because it likes cooler temperatures and can tolerate drier conditions than other vegetables. 10. Green beans. Green beans are so diverse in the number of cultivars that you can get them to do nearly anything. 11. Red leaf lettuce. Red leaf lettuce grows well near pine trees because it likes cool temperatures and a moist environment. It grows in places where it gets partial shade and dappled light. 12. Peas. Peas grow well near pine trees because they like cool temperatures and a moist environment. 13. Pumpkins. Pumpkins grow best when the ground is warm and they love sunlight. If you have pine trees around, try and let the squash ramble right up the tree. 14. Radishes. A radish can probably grow nearly anywhere on Earth. These are fast-growing, evil little plants that will coax an existence out of the best and worst soil. 15. Snap beans. Snap beans grow well near pine trees because they like cool temperatures and a moist environment. They need a little bit of light but won't do well if there isn't any. 16. Spinach. Spinach grows well near pine trees because it likes cool temperatures and a moist environment. It needs a little bit of light but won't do well if there isn't any. 17. Fava beans. Not to be confused with green beans, they are a summer crop. Fava beans do better in fall, spring, or even winter depending on where you are. 18. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes like deep, loose, fertile soil. They like a long growing season and plenty of water. Try not to grow them near pine trees. Pine trees have a bad reputation for making the soil acidic. This is a myth. As long as they do not cast too much shade, they can be quite an asset to a garden, acting as a windbreak and providing needles for mulch. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.